What if I told you that one of the world's richest men, Elon Musk, was approached by a homeless man, and what happened next could inspire an entire generation? Stay tuned. This is a story of ambition, resilience, and an unexpected twist. That will leave you speechless. In today's episode of Visionary Success Tales, we're diving into an extraordinary moment when Elon Musk, engineer, entrepreneur, and billionaire, crossed paths with a man living on the streets. What started as a simple idea, scribbled on a piece of cardboard, turned into a moment of hope, courage, and an unforgettable lesson. This isn't just about business, it's about believing in yourself even when you have nothing. Let's unravel this incredible story together. It all began on a cold morning in Los Angeles. A man named Jake, once a software engineer, found himself homeless after a series of misfortunes. Yet, he clung to an idea, a bold, futuristic startup concept that he believed could change lives. One fateful day, Jake found himself in the same cafe where Elon Musk was quietly working. Summoning every ounce of courage, Jake walked up to Musk and shared his vision. What Elon did next shocked everyone around him. Instead of brushing Jake off, Musk asked, "What's your idea? Tell me how you'd make it work." Musk didn't stop there. He offered Jake advice on refining his pitch, leveraging free online resources, and staying persistent. But most importantly, Musk reminded Jake of this: the greatest power you have is your belief in your idea. No one can take that away from you. Fueled by Musk's words, Jake turned his cardboard idea into reality. With sheer determination, he built his startup step by step, eventually launching an app that now has thousands of users worldwide. And it all started with a single conversation. Jake's app began to gain traction, attracting users from all walks of life. He was soon invited to speak at tech conferences, sharing his journey from homelessness to success. Jake's hard work and perseverance were recognized, and he received several awards for his innovative app. Now, Jake dedicates his time to mentoring young entrepreneurs, helping them turn their dreams into reality. And through it all, he never forgot the man who believed in him when no one else did. Jake's story is a testament to the power of persistence, belief, and the impact one person can have on another's life. Jake's journey continues, inspiring countless others to pursue their dreams, no matter the obstacles. And it all started with a single conversation. Jake faced numerous challenges, including securing funding. He pitched his idea to countless investors, often facing rejection. During moments of doubt, Jake would reflect on Musk's words and his unwavering belief in his vision. Slowly but surely, Jake's persistence paid off. His app began to gain media attention, further propelling its success. Today, Jake's app is used by people all over the world, a testament to his hard work and determination. And it all started with a single conversation. This story is a testament to how one moment, one interaction can spark a transformation. Jake's journey from the streets to startup success wasn't easy, but it reminds us that resilience and belief can move mountains. If this story inspired you, hit the like button, subscribe to Visionary Success Tales, and let us know in the comments, what's your bold idea, and what's stopping you from pursuing it? Until next time, keep chasing your dreams. They're closer than you think.